Welcome to jQuery video series, and this is part 126, and today we are going to discuss fadeToggle function. Alright, so before I jump in, I am assuming that you might be having a jQuery file with you in your project, and you have added the reference of that into your head section, and you have written some basic JavaScript code in order to execute jQuery instructions, which is right here. Alright, so now let's have a look at the markup. So I have one h2 right here, I got one div tag, and it has two paragraph, and in the end I have one button which says toggle me. So let's see how does that look like in a browser. So h2, two paragraph, one div which is wrapped. Alright, and in the end we have toggle, and this blue color and all border is coming via the CSS class, and which is right here, so nothing fancy. Next, we are going to talk about the fadeToggle. So fadeToggle means I am trying to control the visibility of an element, so on the alternated basis. So what I'm saying over here is that let's consider an example, this div element, encode this div element. So what I'm saying over here is that I want to toggle the visibility of this element. So at present you can see this element is very much visible. So when I click on this button, the element should go away, and that just happened. It faded out, right? And when I click on this button, the faded out element should fade in. So the element shows up, right? So you understand it's like a switch. When you come to home, you turn on the switch which was in the off state and you turn it on. And when you move out, you turn it off, and the switch was in the on state and now you turn it back to off state. So it's like that. And I can go, on and off as many as times I want. So it's on one click, I am controlling the visibility of this element. So I'm constantly fading in and fading out. So I hope you got the idea how fadeToggle works. Up next, we're gonna start looking into the fadeTo function. So I hope to see you there. And once again, thank you for your time on this, and thank you for listening to me.